Hey guys, how's it going? So after the recent update, DCS World has been very laggy and very jittery for me, and a lot of users have also reported this online. Now I have managed to find a fix for this, so let me take you through on how to get this fixed. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to your desktop. What you want to do is right click, depending on your Windows version. If it's Windows 11, you might have to click Show More Options like me here, then NVIDIA Control Panel. Once NVIDIA Control Panel opens up, you want to click on Manage 3D Settings on the left-hand side here. Once you click on Manage 3D Settings, you then want to click on Program Settings here. Global Settings will change your settings for all games. You can choose to do that if you want, but for this case, we'll do DCS World. Once you click Program Settings, you want to select the program to customize. In this case, it will appear as Digital Combat Simulator Black Shark, the DCS basically executable file. Make sure that is clicked on. Now, after the update, your settings might be related to mine. So what we want to do first is low latency mode. Make sure that is either on or ultra. This is very important. I think what happened was for me after the update, this just defaulted to off. Once low latency mode is on ultra, next you want to do is power management mode. This is very important. You can either choose normal, but I like to prefer maximum performance to get the most out of my GPU. Once power management mode is also on, the next one you want to do is texture filtering and quality. Now, you can leave this as standard because this is just the quality. We have made the fix for the power management mode and the low latency mode as well. In this case, I like to click on high performance. You can choose that as well, depending on the power of your GPU. Now, once those three options are selected, on the bottom right, you want to click on apply. This will then refresh. You'll be able to see all your settings here. Once you've clicked on apply, close down your NVIDIA control panel window and then launch DCS World. Now, once you've launched DCS World, feel free to just open a mission. I have one set here. So let us go ahead and launch this. And then we click on fly. Now, there you go. Nice and smooth. Now, before this was very laggy for me, very laggy. Too much jitters as well. Now it's completely fixed, it's gone back to normal here. If anything, it might have gone better, I'm not entirely sure. However, there's no lag whatsoever. Maybe when I'm heading towards the terrain on the ground, I might start lagging, but that's normal. It just depends on the power of your GPU. But yeah, that should be you good to go. Thank you for watching.